Welcome to our channel The Glitzy Life. We're gonna watch how to make wine and chacha in Georgia Kakheti, the wine region in Georgia.
So here you can see how in general looks Georgian cellar in Georgia.
Okay.
Especially in Kakheti, because Kakheti is a region for wine and we have a lot of types of, a lot of grape. But in general, in all Georgia we have 525 types of grapes. How we deep bury deep in the ground quarry to keep the same temperature, and you can use such quarry for centuries and it will be very deep in the ground. So this we call saxwe, it's a cherry tree bark to clean quarry from inside. We call it saxwe. And the quarry must be totally cleaned, and we wash it 30-40 times sometimes. If quarry is huge, means jump inside, and the quarry must be totally clean, and we prepare it every year for harvest.
Okay.
This we call oshima. It's a real pumpkin. You can see it's a dry pumpkin. To take liquid from the quarry, even if it's broken inside, it will come to the top. You can take it. Nothing will happen with quarry because it's light, and also it's natural. It will not connect with wine. That's why it's so smart stuff for wine.
Okay.
It's a 12th century press. We call it Racha-Lechkhumi. You can see it's a whole tree. So it's our wine. Old tradition, our ancient tradition was to press by feet all the grapes.
Okay.
So in the period of harvest, when we're collecting grapes, after we put it here, first kids stand because to give the good energy to the wine, because kids are clean and joyful and all this stuff. After men stand here and start press with by feet. And after everything goes to the quarry from here, if it's possible to put near the quarry, good. If no, we made such roads. And we never separate juice and grapes and seeds and all stuff. We start fermenting all pressed grapes. That's why our quarry wine is different. Because of the quarry, it's a one. And the second reason is because we never separate all this stuff. That's why our wine has a lot of tannins, because of the seeds and of the skin. All the seeds and all the grapes will gathered here down, and the skin of the grape will cover all this, and in the top we will have the ready liquid of wine, and when wine is ready, we take in other equipment. This is Church Sioni and our Caravanserais. They told you here was no roof. So when traders came from other countries, they keep here their horses and camels. If they use boats, here was some small port, and after they made their business and all the stuff inside. Nowadays here is a Grape European Square and Peace Bridge, glass bridge, which we have in this territory of all peace. Yeah. Also Anzi. Anzi is a real horn, you can see it, which Tamada has. Tamada, which we saw already, Tamada has in his hand. So you can't put it on the table, you have to drink all the liquid.
Wine.
Tamada won't get all the liquid of wine, and it will be full. And from Anzi, Tamada wants to show how much he respects this toast and wants to make it special. That's why he used Anzi. This we call it's a plastic one just to show real thing. Looks like here. You can see. It's a skin. It's supposed to be bull, sheep, pig. So we prepared properly skin of the animal, and after used for transporting wine. We fill with wine such skin and transporting wine. First of all, that period we don't have glass. The second reason, it is not heavy, and if even something happens on the road, it will not break. That's why so smart stuff. Okay, let's go to our kitchen. Here was the kitchen of Caravanserai. This place was for fire for juniors. This is a steel for making jaja.
Chacha.
Steel, yeah. Sorry. So, Jaja is a Georgian spirit, Georgian vodka. After we make wine and take from qvevri, ready wine, and all the skin, seeds, and stalks, which remind after wine, nothing goes to the garbage, we put it here. This equipment on the fire, we still here extremely cold water, and start dropping, because it became condensate. Here is hot, here is cold. First distillation is 40 degrees, second distillation is 60 degrees, and we call it homemade Jaja, and we prefer the strong one, especially men, I mean. And third distillation is 90 degrees, we use it for medicine. So here you can see it's already Jaja, just put some honey candles to give pleasant flavor. And also in Georgia we make beer, we use wheat for the beer, and this is our ancient tractor which was taking corn from the wheat. Goes around, because here we put it bulls, and it takes corn from the wheat. And this is a stone hand grain mill to make flour. And if you tasted our Georgian traditional sweets, churchkhela is a part of our winemaking, because we use juice of the grapes for churchkhela. Also, if we put Jaja in such wooden equipment here, which is supposed to be oak, it's an oak equipment for cognac. If we fill such oak equipment with Jaja will become brandy cognac. First was Georgian man David Sarajishvili, and we have now the cognac of his name. Now he was studied in France, and he bring to Georgian people the technology how to make cognac. Also, Sarajishvili was first to open factories in Armenia and in this territory. And here it's already cognac, just change color and change taste for sure. And these small bags was for transporting cognac and wine. But it has a small history. When Georgian man was on his road and he had something to drink, this small bag became like a small table for feast, for dinner, and to drink and all this stuff.
Hi.
So in this group, I will try to explain you about because he's gonna explain about the Russian language, okay? We have here is a wine cellar. This is a wine cellar, like we are calling it Marani.
Okay.
Yeah, these places are we are making here also say wine here, you know. And this is a little different technology. It's daily sales technology, you know. And we used to this is a qvevri, like clay pot.
Okay.
Yeah, this is clay pot. We put the underground because you know underground is really good temperature, it's same temperature. In summer is a maximum 18-17 degrees, and in winter it's more or less, it's minimum 5-9 degrees. And it's already the same way. So when we pick up the grapes around September, because September is really good season, when grapes is already sweet, and that's why we need sweet grapes for good quality winemaking. So after that, whole grapes, when take it and squash inside. We have special apparat for squash, you know, and that's But before squashing, I go down, yeah, and started washing, cleaning. You know, it's because hygiene is really important for wine. If you want to have really good wine, you protect the hygiene. Yeah. So after that, time to fermentation process, and fermentation process goes around 10 days, 15 days, and let me show you this one. It's process of the fermentation. You can see. Yeah. Yeah, these are white grapes, and every 3 hours we mix it like that, because you know this grape skin is dry, you know, you can see, and this grape skin must be always wet. Yeah, otherwise wine becoming vinegar.
Red color grape also, black color grape also same procedure you will follow or something?
Yeah, you can see black. Yeah, see. Yeah. This is other type of grape. This is sapera. We are calling sapera.
It will become a red wine, right?
Red wine, you know.
This is semi-sweet.
Yeah, you can make also semi-sweet, dry wine. It depends grape sugar, you know. If you have high level sugar in the grapes first time, you know, you can make a semi-sweet wine. Yeah. But if you have low sugar in the grapes, it's a bit problem to make a semi-sweet wine, because you need also besides alcohol, you know. What the fermentation process, you know? Do you know what does it mean yeast? Yeast, microorganism, yeast, you know, and yeast microorganism living around the grape skin, After that, when you pick up, they squash inside. They wake up and started working. What does it mean working? Eating sugar, grape sugar, you know, and same time. How can I say? It's you can see red semi-sweet wine here. Yeah, 1,000 liter here. And this is we put the glass because I control it, check it every time, what's happened, what's wrong inside, and every 3 hours I open it. I open it and control it and check it. Still is normal everything or something wrong.
Until how many months you will do the same thing?
You know, 3 months, every 3 months. And this one we are keeping 2 years old, and I'm gonna keep it more 2 years. And after 4 years old, you know, I'm gonna open and remove them from the qvevri and go to in the tank, and after that.
Мы допиваем, уехали по дороге.